Hi, this is Roy Abramson with the Advisory Report. And in our ongoing coverage of top insurance agents in Southern California, I am here with Corey Chu. Corey, could you tell us a little bit about your practice?
Sure, Roy. I own a boutique insurance agency in Hollywood, California named Bast Insurance Services. We help individuals and businesses set up their life, health, disability, and long-term care insurance.
People have different needs at different stages in their life. How do insurance needs change?
Typically in your 30s, people are concerned about protecting their loved ones if something should happen to them. But they're also budget conscious, so often a term insurance policy can be the best option. In their 40s and 50s, they're starting to think about retirement. So the tax-free cash growth of universal life and whole life insurance policies becomes more attractive. And as people age, they become more aware of longevity issues. So long-term care insurance and life insurance for estate planning reasons is very important.
Okay, those stages make sense, Corey. So how do you determine when to use term versus universal life?
The products that I recommend are always based on a person's individual needs. I look at factors like, how long does this person anticipate needing this policy? How much money is this person comfortable spending in premiums? And how does this person feel about risk versus return when determining what kind of policy is needed?
There's so much overlap in financial products, as we saw with AIG. What investments do you recommend?
I'm a pretty conservative advisor. My feeling is that if people want to play the market, they should have an advisor that specializes in the stock market, not an insurance advisor. Insurance is something that absolutely needs to be there when you need it.
With the current volatility in the market, do you see any new trends coming in the future?
In terms of new laws and legislation, I've got one word for you: taxes. Our country's deficit is over $12 trillion right now. 48 out of 50 states have budget deficits. So I'm pretty sure that we can count on new taxes. And historically, estate taxes are one of the easier tax increases to make it through Congress. So insurance is becoming increasingly more important for both estate planning reasons and because of its tax-free cash growth.
With the credit crisis affecting so many financial institutions, could you comment on the stability of insurance carriers?
Actually, Roy, in the US, there has never been an insurance carrier that's denied a death benefit for insolvency reasons. In fact, insurance has the added benefit of the state guarantee funds. So insurance is still hands down one of the best opportunities for financial security.
So what is your advice for someone who's considering buying life insurance and watching this interview?
A good life insurance policy is one of the best things that you can do with your money. You're actually creating an asset. Either you or your loved ones will reap the benefit of that policy guaranteed. So my advice is, you know you need it, just do it. Don't wait until you no longer qualify for one.
But in the age of the internet, can't someone just go online and buy a policy with the click of a mouse?
This is actually something I feel very strongly about. You can shop around on the internet. In fact, I recommend it. Look around, see what's out there, but I wouldn't buy from the internet. You need an advisor to make sure that you understand all the details of a policy and to answer any questions you may have. If you buy a policy with the click of your mouse, you have no one to turn to if that policy doesn't perform as you expected it to. We are your advocate, and you don't pay any extra to work with us, so why not?
We've been talking with Corey Chu from the Bast Insurance Agency. Thanks for your time, Corey.
Thanks for having me.
This has been Roy Abramson. See you next time on the Advisory Report.